welcome back to the channel.
Well, we've reached the last campsite of our trip. We are staying in the Zwinnekerke campsite, which is 8 kilometres from the centre of Bruges, and it's also 8 kilometres from the coastal town of Blankenberge.
In this episode, we'll show you what it's like to cycle in and explore the city. We'll take a day trip to Blankenberge, and we'll also show you the campsite and tell you what we thought about it. We were again really lucky with the weather, and we set off early for Bruges. The route is mostly flat and pretty much a dead straight cycle path alongside the main road. As with our previous cycles into cities, it's really nice to see what the city is like outside of the centre.
The cycle into Bruges was very easy. Took us 25 minutes, I think. The easiest cycle we've had so far into any of the cities. It's cycle path all the way, mostly along the main road, but it's fine, it's pretty good. And we found this bike rack to connect to pretty quickly.
Now it's time to explore the city.
%39% of Belgians cycle to work. Most of them are faster than me. Michelle's working out where the tourist office is. So has this got to be the most attractive McDonald's building in the world? Surely it has to be. So the tourist information is inside the concert hall. And this building was built in 2002. It's definitely one of the most modern buildings that I've seen so far in the city.
We just popped into the tourist office and we asked for a map about walking around the best sites to see. And we bought this for €3.50, sorry. And she said it's got walking tours in there. And we got a map as well to help us. So let's go and explore.
So you walk the flowers, then need a ladder.
This is St Saviour's Church. It's the oldest church in Bruges, and they started building it in the 12th century, and it's free to enter. This is Simon Stebbins Square, probably the oldest square in Bruges.
We are in the market square, and the most imposing building is of course the Belfry, which is in the film in Bruges, where one of the characters jumps off. There are 366 steps to get you to the top for views of the city, and once you're up there you can listen to the 67 bells ringing in your ears as they are now.
Behind me is the 14th century Gothic City Hall, where you can still get married, and we've already seen a wedding party today.
You can look round the entrance hall for free.
As with the City Hall, you can visit the chapel in the Basilica for free. You should definitely look inside, as it is really stunning.
Got lunch, a Camargue panini, don't get run over, with ham, hot sauce, tomatoes and mozzarella. Should be good. Find somewhere to sit now. Just down the road along the river there is a treed area with some shade and some benches, perfect for eating your lunch.
Some random French lady just asked me where you can buy clothes from in the city. I don't know.
Perhaps you thought you were local, sitting here on your own.
The four horsemen of the apocalypse. This is the Boniface Bridge, which seems to be a popular spot for a photograph.
We're in Walpling Street, which was once the brewery centre of Bruges.
They've been brewing beer here since the 16th century. It's now home to the De Haafman Brewery, which has been since 1856. Since 2016 there has been a 3-kilometre beer pipeline that goes from the brewery to the bottling plant outside of the city.
And this is known as the Lake of Love.
The place is just full of amazing old buildings everywhere you look.
Gunpowder Tower.
We finished the must-see sights walk and had a rest with a coffee before starting walk 2, the back streets.
Statue of Papageno, which apparently is a bird catcher. There are only about 3 wooden houses in Bruges. They were banned because of the risk of fire, and this is one of the 3. This second walk that we're doing is extremely peaceful, so different from the walk number 1, which is full of tour parties. It does feel like Holland here. The language used in Bruges is Dutch or Flemish Dutch. All the street names, signs, all seem very Dutch. This is just another Dutch influence to trick us. There used to be 30 windmills along the city's ramparts. One by one they disappeared. Now there are only 4 windmills. One is an original and the other 3 have been relocated from other parts of Belgium.
Doing the must-see sights walk and then the back streets walk really gives you a good feel of the city.
And I think it's good to do them in that sequence. Must-sees first, back streets second. It's much more calmer and also allows you to find a local pub which is less touristy, and as we're thirsty, that's exactly where we're headed now. So we finished our walk at the Windmill Pub, suitably named Windmill Pub, We do.
Well-earned Jupiler beer.
Jupiler beer. So cheers. The campsite is the smallest site we stayed on during this trip, and it's self-check-in. We like this campsite. Its positioning was perfect for Bruges and the coast. The facilities were clean and modern, and there are 2 showers in the men's and 2 in the women's. The men's has 1 urinal and only 1 toilet, which is my only criticism. The pitches were flat and spacious. There are washing up facilities, and there is an information shed where you can leave a fresh bread order for the next morning.
It's a 10-minute cycle from a retail park with a large Carrefour and other shops including Decathlon. There are also 2 restaurants, a 10 and 15-minute cycle away in the direction of Blankenberge.
And speaking of Blankenberge, it's only a 25-minute cycle in the opposite direction to Bruges, and again a dead straight route along a flat cycle path.
Blankenberge is a nice seaside town and a good place for a day or half-day trip. There are plenty of shops including a Carrefour Express, restaurants, places to get ice cream and a tourist information centre.
There are some interesting art installations like these spikes with Belgian cartoon characters, the giant babies climbing the building, and there's also an Art Deco pier built in 1933.
On the harbour side there are 3 golf options: snooker golf, crazy golf and mini golf.
We finished our visit on the beach, which has perfect sand, and then with a Belgian beer in one of the many beach bars. This one was called the Havana Club. Thank you for watching. This may be the end of our current road trip, but we have more planned. Soon we'll be heading out to explore France.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel.
And consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell, and you'll receive notifications when we upload more content.
So bye for now and we'll see you on our travels.